Hello guys, welcome back guys again in my Android Softech tutorials, and in today's project we are going to talk about the Fragment API in Android. So let me tell you about Fragment. So a fragment is represent a behavior or a portion of user interface in activity. We can combine multiple fragments in a single activity for creating a multi-pane UI user interface, and we can reuse fragment in multiple activities. So you can think like something. Let me show you. Let me show something here. Guys, now you're watching that this is the example of the fragment, and here we added three fragments. The first one is in this we have take a time picker, and in the second one fragment we have take a radio button like a radio group, and in third fragment I have take a calendar view. So you are watching that this is the example of add fragment into main activity, and add fragment into main activity direct, and we can add fragment into two ways. We can add a fragment into direct into main activity, and we can add fragment into at runtime. So let me show you how to add fragment let me show the example of add fragment into runtime. So come back from here, and this is the example of where it is here, I think. So here you are watching that this is the first fragment. Here you are watching that hello first fragment, and now I will click the next fragment. So go to next fragment. Okay, this is the second fragment. We are watching that hello second fragment, and we can add multiple fragment in a single activity. So here I have added the fragment into runtime. So let me click once more, and this is the third fragment. We are watching that. So this is the example of add fragment runtime, and the previous example was add fragment direct into admin activity.xml file by using the fragment tag. So in this episode we are going to create these fragment. So let's start now. First I will create the fragment into direct by using the fragment tag. So let's repeat now. So now I will close this project, and I will start a new project for creating the fragment example. So close this project. Okay guys, so let's start a new Android Studio project. Click here, and here I will give the name add fragment direct, and click on next, and select your platform API, and click on next, and select the empty activity, and click on next, and click on finish. Okay guys, so let's start now our coding. So first of all we will design our UI for creating the fragment. So first delete this text view, and go to here, and here first we will create a first fragment. So create the first fragment. For creating the first fragment we will add here. So let me add here. And with this should be mesh parent, and height I will take 150 dp because I will take 3 fragments. So 150 dp is okay, will be okay guys. And after this we need to create the ID of that. of this fragment. So create the ID, sorry, plus ID, and ID name I will give the first fragment. Okay guys, and now I will take the second fragment. So I can copy this. Let me copy and paste here, and change the ID into second sorry, this is not, will change here, second fragment. Okay, and we need to one more, because we are going to create 3 fragments into main activity. So this, it will be the third fragment. Okay guys, and now we will manage the appearance of this. It is not showing here. Okay guys, and let me manage them. Okay, this is our second fragment. My system is little bit hanging. Okay guys, and now we will manage our fragments. So that's me. This is our and this is our second fragment. Sorry. Okay guys, now we have 3 fragments. Okay guys, and now in this fragment we can perform any task, like we can take anything, whatever we want to do perform. So let me do things for, let me perform the task. Sorry, let me add anything in this fragment. So and now we will create this fragment. Sorry, now we will sorry. Okay, and now we will create a fragment. So right click on the app icon and click on new, and click on new fragment here, and create the blank fragment. Okay, and give the name for this fragment, and I will give the name for this fragment like first fragment. And change the layout name, like otherwise you can leave it default, but I will change first fragment layout. And uncheck this box because we don't need. Click on finish. Okay guys, and similar this we will add our remain 2 fragments. So create the second and third fragment. So click on right click on the app icon, and click on the new, click on the fragment, and click on the blank fragment, and get the name for that, and I will give the name second fragment. and here I will change the uncheck this, click on finish, and like this we will add our last one fragment. So let me create that. Okay guys, and now we will add some materials in our fragments. So go to your first fragment layout file. We can go from here, first fragment layout, and here we can add anything like whatever you want to perform in your UI. So you can add anything here, like for example purpose I will add here time picker, which I have shown in already. So let me create a time picker here. So first of all I will change this layout into linear layout. And I will also change the height, because our fragment height is, if you remember that, our fragment height is 150 dp. So I will take the height of first fragment into 150 dp. Okay guys, and now we will add the time picker. So we can drag, otherwise we can code. So let me code. And with it I will take the mesh parent, and the height should be also mesh parent, because and we can take the ID if you want to perform any task. You don't need ID, but we can add that. The time picker has created, and in our second fragment there radio group and radio button. So let me create the radio, and sorry, and here I will change the background color. So change the background color, and sorry, and right, and I will give the name for F1. Okay guys, now it is green. You are watching that green icon here. Okay guys, and after that and now we will add for our second fragment. We will add something for our second fragment, like into second fragment first we need to change this into linear layout. And remove this text view, and height we will take the 150 dp. Okay guys, and also we want the background color. So background color I will take ancient. So and right background I will take color ancient. Okay guys, and now here we will take a radio group. So let me take a radio group. I will code here, and I will give the width 370 dp, because it will cover our width. And height should be 150 dp, because our fragment height is 150 dp. Guys, and in this radio group we will create a 3 radio buttons. So let's create now, and the radio button, and with this should be wrap content. It is with the height should be wrap content, and the text I will take for it. Sorry, the radio button. And we need one more thing here. I will take the date. Guys, and now we can copy this and paste into second, and it is third. Now we have 3 radio buttons into one radio group. Let us check here. Okay guys, now it is okay. And for our third fragment, in this I will take the calendar view. So I will take the calendar view. So go to your third fragment layout, remove this, change into linear layout, and height should be 150 dp because our fragment height is 150 dp. Guys, now we can take your calendar. So let's take a calendar. Sorry, we can take a date picker. Otherwise calendar, anything we can take. I will take a date picker. And the height should be match parent. And height, sorry, everything with this should be match parent, and height should be wrap content. Guys, and ID, we don't need ID. It is okay. Now it is date picker. Guys, and now we will add our fragment into fragment class. So go to your main activity, and for the first fragment we will add in the first fragment, and the second fragment we will add into second fragment. So this is our first fragment. So here we will give the name. So by Android attributes name, by Android name attributes, we will add our fragment into Android name, and give the name into first fragment. We are watching that these are our fragment which we have created. So here we will add the first fragment because it is our first fragment. So this is our first fragment. Now it is added successfully, and into second fragment we will add here second fragment class. So Android name into second fragment. Sorry, it is our third fragment. Sorry, here we will add a third fragment. We can add anything, there is no mean for that. So edit the, and here we can add the third fragment. Yes, now everything is, our task is completed. Now we can test our app. So let's test now. Okay guys, so let's check our app now. So click here on the run icon. Now it is starting to installing our app. Okay guys, now our activity have launched in our emulator. So you can watch that there are 3 different fragments. The first one is here is our time picker. We can set our time here, and this is our calendar, and this is our radio buttons. Okay guys, so let me show you the more clear concept about the fragment. So here you are watching that the every fragment it is a own life cycle methods. So for the first fragment, coming to first fragment.java, in this fragment here it is gives our 3 life cycle methods like on create, on start, and on destroy. So we can perform any task in this, and similarly in second fragment. So that means we no need to create the another activity. We can use the fragment. Okay guys, now you got it. For the more information about the fragment, you can visit the developer.android.com. Okay guys, in this project it is enough for today, and in my next project I will teach you how to add fragment into runtime. So please go to my next video for getting the more information about the fragment. Please like and subscribe my channel for getting the more videos. Thank you. Please go to next video for learning the more about the fragment. Thank you.